Do you ever wonder how ordinary people in the UK, USA, Canada, and Australia are making real money online without showing their faces? Some are earning full-time income while working from home. Others make passive income in their sleep. Today, we uncover their secrets. Welcome to Money Minds, the channel that reveals real ways to earn online, leverage AI, and build income without showing your face. Subscribe now and join our Faceless Creators community. In the UK, USA, Canada, and Australia, people still work traditional jobs: IT, healthcare, education, marketing. But with rising costs and the digital economy booming, more are turning to online income. Freelancing, AI content creation, e-commerce, the opportunities are endless. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal allow anyone to sell skills globally. Web development, graphic design, AI prompt engineering, and digital marketing are in high demand. Combine this with AI tools and you can scale your income without adding more hours. Some people make money creating digital products, AI-generated art, ebooks, templates, online courses. Others run faceless YouTube channels or TikTok accounts using AI voices, stock footage, and automated posting to earn thousands per month. Meet Money Minds in the USA, 3 faceless YouTube channels earning $4,000 per month. Mia in Canada sells AI templates for $2,500 per month. Even in the UK and Australia, people are leveraging AI to create full-time income streams without ever showing their face. You don't need followers, fame, or expensive equipment. All you need is curiosity, a laptop, and the right AI tools. Start with a niche, create content consistently, automate where possible, and scale your income. Even a few hours per week can grow into a full-time income if you're smart about it. The faceless revolution is real, and it's happening across the UK, USA, Canada, and Australia. Subscribe to Money Minds, hit the bell, and start your journey today. Remember, Juan, you don't need a face to make real money online.